Hello, beautiful. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing a few different lip balms. The three lip balms I'm going to compare are the Lanolips, the new Biossance lip balm, and the ever so infamous Laneige. If you want to know my thoughts on each different lip balm, just keep watching. I have a quick announcement to make. First of all, this thing in my background, I'm just dying over. So cute. But that wasn't my real announcement. I feel like I get at least one really nice comment on my video. So I've decided that I'm going to insert a comment in the beginning of the video. If you ever want to leave me a comment, just know that it might get featured on my channel. I think I'm also going to add the Aquaphor lip balm as well. I have been on a journey to find a lip balm that will restore my lips once it is off of my lips. I still have not found it in all of these lip balms that I'm trying. I still have not found a lip balm that once I remove it off my lips are super soft and then I don't need to wear a lip balm for like a week after that. I'm starting to think that that does not exist. I tried a lot of different chapsticks and I've tried a lot of different lip balms, and they're all the same. Like once it's off my lips go back to feeling dry, and most of the time they're even drier than when they were before I ever put some lip balm on. Out of these 4 lip balms, I do have to say that the winner is the Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask. The reason why I think this one takes the cake is because this one has the best formula. It has the best consistency and it also smells delicious. Another reason why this one takes the cake is because it's also a nighttime treatment. It's also a mask. So you can apply this at nighttime and it will just add a lot of hydration as you're sleeping. When you wake up in the morning, you rinse it off your lips, or you just remove it off your lips, and your lips are supposed to feel a lot softer, hydrated, and just kind of restored. And as far as just like wearing this throughout the day, the formula is the best. It gives you a little bit of shine, it makes your lips look a little bit more juicier, and the smell is so yummy. I've got mine in the berry scent. It smells kind of like a strawberry bubblegum, and it's literally something that makes you gravitate towards wanting to use it because it just smells so good. The second is tough. When it comes to these lip balms, it's catered to each person. What I like is something that you might not like, but I think it's because each lip balm kind of serves a different purpose. So just keep that in mind as I'm kind of trying to rank these. I'm just going to talk about the Aquaphor one really quick. This is not I would say so stylish. It's more of like a treatment. And the reason why I found out about Aquaphor is because I heard that this is applied to people's lips. These are applied to people who are about to pass away, and when they are dying, their body gets really dehydrated, and so they apply Aquaphor on their lips. That has to be like the best proof of how well this product works. So after I heard that, I ran to the store and I picked this up. This product helps me to not get chapped lips when I apply other tinted lip balms. Whenever I apply a tinted lip balm, it makes my lips peel. I have no clue why. Maybe it's like the tint in the lip balm. I don't know what it is, but it just makes my lips peel. Aquaphor is the only lip balm that prevents that from happening. This keeps your lips hydrated for a really long time. If you have chapped lips, if your lips are sore, whatever, definitely consider picking. Why am I getting like so sweaty? This is really great for people who just need a really basic, simple lip treatment. It's not going to make your lips look glossy. It's not going to make your lips look sexy or anything like that. It's just your standard lip treatment. However, with the Aquaphor, it doesn't, once it's dried off my lips go back to being dry. And I was really hoping that Aquaphor was going to solve my problem. A lot of people ranted about this, but no, this is something I have to keep reapplying. If I stop reapplying it, my lips will go back to being dry. The next product I got, which I'm excited to talk about because it's on the very top of the list when it comes to what are the best, most effective lip balms, and it is the Lanolips. They also have just pure lanolin, and it's catered to being a nipple cream. So I have Lanolin, but again, that does the same thing. It also has like no scent, no flavor, whatever. So it kind of feels a little weird when you apply it on your lips. It's almost like putting Vaseline on your lips, but Vaseline with no shine. That's like the purest form of a lip balm that you can get is the Lanolin. Lanolips is very close to that. Like its main ingredient is lanolin. Lanolips is supposed to be like one of the purest forms of lip balms you can get. I mean, I recommend it if you're looking for like a lip balm that is made out of really good quality ingredients and in its purest forms. I would recommend it. It's basically like they took lanolin and they jazzed it up by putting some fruit extracts in it, if you will. And it smells so yummy. I got mine in the strawberry scent. They have all different types of scents. Benji, stop. They have all different types of scents. This one has more of like a Vaseline type consistency. It's even a little bit thicker than Vaseline. It's not like as slippery. It's not my favorite type of consistency, especially when it comes in this style of packaging. My mind kind of thinks that it's gonna be like shiny and a little bit slippery. It really does feel like you're putting like a treatment on your lips. It's thick, it's not very slippery, it's not shiny, but it is very long lasting. It's very nourishing, very hydrating. So I do recommend it. At this point, the thing I most look forward to in a lip balm is how it feels on my lips and how long lasting it is. With the Biossance, it has such a wonderful formula. It's not really thick, it's on the more slippery side. It adds more of a shine to your lips and it's long lasting, and I personally like that. If you have extremely dry lips, you might benefit more from the Lanolips or from the Aquaphor. The Biossance I feel like is more if you are looking for like a more feminine type of lip balm. Like you want the lips to be a little shiny, you want it to feel nice and comfortable and a little bit slippery on the lips. My favorite thing about the Biossance is the smell. It has like this grapefruit clean smell. I feel like it's a very universal smell because it has that clean scent, and the grapefruit gives a little hint like of a citrusy sweet smell. The top of it has a different applicator. The way it feels is really nice, and when you apply it on your lips for the first time, it's definitely going to surprise you because there's not a lot of applicators that feel this way. It's got this like soft matte feel. I don't know the name of this kind of like texture or material, but it just feels really nice on the lips, so comfortable on the lips. It makes you want to apply it even more. Now, I have a tough time deciding whether or not I like the Lineage more or I like the Biossance more. The thing with the Lineage, the consistency just feels a little bit better. It's like slippery, but it still has a little bit of that thickness in it. And it just feels really juicy on the lips. The Biossance isn't as thick. It's a little less thick, and it's because of that, it makes it less like juicy. So I do believe that the Laneige would look better on your lips than the Biossance. If you're looking for like that shine factor and that juiciness factor, then I think the Laneige would be better. The reason why I would choose the Laneige as my favorite is because, like I said, you can do it as a nighttime treatment, and it is effective as a nighttime treatment, and then just throughout the day, it feels a little bit more comfortable on the lips. Now, in terms of the Laneige treatment mask, I have cracked the code for making it so much more effective. I read on the package that it says to apply a generous amount, so I decided to do that, and I literally put like 4 layers of this stuff on my lips. My lips just look so glossy when I'm done. And with the first layer, I pack it into my lips like this, and then I do a second layer, a third layer, and then sometimes a 4th layer. And then when I wake up in the morning, I remove it off my lips, and my lips are soft and supple. For the very first time, I have been able to experience that. I have used this at night, apply it on my lips, just 1 layer, wake up in the morning, it's either gone, or when I remove it off my lips feel wrinkly and dry. But after this new method that I've tried, I've finally been able to make my lips feel soft. However, that only lasts for a few hours, and then after a few hours my lips go back to feeling wrinkly. They feel wrinkly and they feel hard, like they're just dehydrated. I don't know. I'll use this at night, and then I will use this during the day. I think most of these lip balms are formulated with good ingredients, but the Biossance, I really like the whole idea of the Biossance, the packaging. It says on it, plant-derived squalane. It really has this like sustainable, clean feel, the Biossance does, compared to the Laneige. I'm pretty sure they both have genuinely good ingredients in them, but the Biossance I feel like is really kind of catering to that whole like nature, clean, no toxins kind of vibe. That is my wrap up of these 4 different lip balms. If you have tried any of these lip balms, let me know down in the comments what you think about them. And also, if you have any other lip balms that you think deserve to like be in this video or to be on this list, let me know down in the comments below. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure to share it with any friends and family who might need a lip balm. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.